Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you'll learn the ins and outs of the Asset Export Outcome node. The Asset Export Outcome node retrieves the current information about a Catenis Smart Asset that was previously exported to a foreign blockchain. The node returns the status of the export, its outcome progress, and the success or failure of the asset export. This node also displays the address of the smart contract that was deployed on the foreign blockchain during the asset migration process. Name the node in the name field and set your Catenis virtual device in the connection field. In the Asset ID field, enter the ID of a previously created Catenis Smart Asset that you will export to a foreign blockchain. In the Foreign Blockchain field, select a foreign blockchain to export your asset to from among the currently available foreign blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon Proof of Stake Chain. Awesome! Now you should understand the Asset Export Outcome node. In our next video, you'll learn how to use this node in runtime mode.